Hey guys, it's Raina at Life with Raina. Today I have something really exciting that we're doing that was specially requested by my fans, and today we are going to be going to a revolving sushi bar. I have never been here before. I'm really excited. Basically all your food comes to you on a conveyor belt and you don't really get a server. You order through an app or something. This type of revolving sushi bar is very popular in Tokyo, Japan, which I hope I will be going and taking you guys along with me soon. But I'm really excited. I love Asian food. If you guys don't know, Asian food is my absolute favorite food. So I'm excited to eat as much as I can and to try everything and to show you guys. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we have just been seated. Here is the revolving belt, and then I'll show you guys what we're gonna start ordering. Behind me, they have more revolving belts that they're putting the food on to actually send it out to you, which is really cool. But yeah, I just ordered a Diet Coke because that is literally my favorite thing, and to kind of show you what it looks like. So sometimes if you like want a roll, you can just pull the plate out and grab it, but this is where you order like what type of food you want, and then it'll just come through. I think I want a roll for sure to start. I always get like a roll or even like a hand roll because I love sushi. Spider roll sounds good. I think I'm gonna try the crunchy one, and then you're just gonna press order, and then it gets sent in, and then I'm assuming it's gonna come in on this belt. But this is the side menu and all the things they have available for order. I'm just gonna start with that and see if there's anything else that I want to order. But yeah, I'm excited to see what I'm gonna get. So we're also getting gyoza. Oh, my hand roll is here. That's so cool. Okay guys, here is my hand roll. But we also just ordered some gyoza as well. I'll show you guys how it is. My Diet Coke is here. It looks really big. It's like actually coming out. Uh-oh. I don't know if the hand roll is gonna stay hand rolled, guys. It unwrapped. Let me just try to eat it. That is delicious. That's really good. I hope I'm giving you guys a good ASMR. It's good. Okay, so we also got the crispy rice with crab mayo on top. Our food is coming out super fast. We just got some gyoza. This is crispy fried gyoza. It looks so good. Here's the crispy gyoza. It's gonna dip it in the sauce that it comes with. Very good. I'm gonna try the crunchy rice now. I guess it's like fried rice. You guys see? It's really good. I don't know what I'm gonna get for my main yet. I'm really excited. So I'll show you guys what I eat next. So I just ordered some katsu ramen up here. They also have alcohol. So I'm gonna see. Go to their drink menu. I had the plum wine last time. It was really good. And I think I'm gonna order that again. Okay, here we go. And typically they have like more sushi out on these things. I think people are actually just grabbing them. And then you can see all back behind me, all of the sushi. Okay guys, here is my plum shot. As you can see, there's like actual plum in it. I hope I'm gonna be able to open this with my nails. I think so. Ooh. Okay, let's see how it is. Cheers. It's very good. If any of you guys are European out there, you probably know what cordials are. It reminds me of a cordial. And it's super sweet. I'm not gonna eat the plum because the plum kind of freaks me out, but it is really good. I'm just waiting on my ramen to get here. I'm gonna eat some more gyoza. Very good. I'm excited for my ramen. I'll check back in with you guys later. Yay! My ramen's here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the ramen. Here is my tonkatsu ramen. I'm pretty sure this is like a pork-based ramen. It just came off the boat. That looks so good. That looks crazy. I have my spoon, I have my egg, I have my pork. I'm gonna go ahead and give it its first little taste. I'm excited to see how the broth is because I've had the miso. That's really freaking good. I'm gonna try some of the pork. That is good. Take another bite just for good measure. This is good. I'm gonna turn off the camera before this gets food sexual. I will see y'all when I come back. This is so good though. We really like these, so I'm gonna try them from here. I'm gonna order this. Cool. And then I think I want mochi today as well. So which one should we get? The strawberry? Okay, so we're gonna order some strawberry mochi. All right, we'll let you know when it gets here. We got our strawberry mochi. Here it is. Very yummy. I like it. We got our soy donuts with ice cream. Looks really good. I'm about to taste it. Here they are. They look really good. I'm about to take it with a little bit of ice cream. That's amazing. I don't know what the sauces they have on top, if it's honey or what, but this is great. Yummy. Hey guys, this is Raina at Life with Raina. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's video. I hope that you guys liked all the food that I tried today, and I want to shout out that fan that commented on my poll about whether or not you wanted to see me review a Revolving Sushi restaurant. This is for you. It was really nice, and I'm super full and happy with the food. Everything was honestly 10 out of 10 and really good, so I recommend that you guys come and check this out, and I hope you guys really enjoyed the video and you're inspired to try your own Revolving Sushi restaurant in your area or in a city that you're visiting for vacation. But nonetheless, this has been amazing. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.